So this car is the Ultron mobile. And inside, if we open it up, it has a little escape pod for Ultron to escape. And the way it plays in the story is that you push this button and it blows up. So if we push here,
build it again.
the escape pod escapes.
Build it again.
Alright.
Build it again.
So to build it is easy. All we have to do is flip down the button, put the sides on.
I'm gonna get you,
And
Steve.
then put the escape pod
Nothing.
and then put the roof back on.
Put on it down. And the bike.
So the escape pod fits Ultron perfectly. So Ultron can sit inside it. Show how Ultron can sit inside the escape pod. There we go. Ultron's in the escape pod.
I like the whole bastard because it's nice and Iron Man goes inside. Let's blast it. Blast it.
Go ahead and
wanna
blast it.
blast
Show.
I did. Drive the car. You need his where's his thing
Here.
for the legs.
That's his blast.
Look, build it again. I don't want to put him. I don't want to see. I don't want to put him inside.
Alright. So that's how it works.
He can drive. Look. He can drive.
Right.
Make him drive. Oh no, I don't drive him.
So. And also, Ultron can stand on his stand. Show how he can stand on his stand.
I don't want to stand.
Put him on the stand.
Like, whee.
Without the orange.
Orange.
Yeah. Put him on top. Here, I'll do it.
What happened?
There we go. So you can stand on top.
Uh-oh.
Whoopsie daisy.
Whoopsie daisy. Oh, this thing is supposed to be there.
There, you can stand like that.
Come on.
I'm here to attack you.
Jen, Captain America flies all the way, and then you do something. Yeah, ouch. Ugh.
Oh no, I better escape to my escape pod.
No, I'm gonna blast him. I'm gonna take the scalpel and crush the whole thing. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. And smash.
Alright. We have a gun on the other side. And the gun pulls out.
I wanna do something.
So under one wing is a gun. Show the gun.
And when you fly it flies. When you put the fly in the plane, it does attack. It does attack.
Shoot it.
And last one.
Wow, that's a good shot. He shot the car to pieces. But luckily, Ultron has an escape pod, so he can get inside and escape.